I'll have to figure out how this works. I bought a really stupid computer case with a lot of RGB lighting and 4 fans, 3 in the front, 1 in the back, and a lot more places where you can put, I think, 3 more. And it has a nice little remote where you can control the fan speed and light and whatever. It will probably be set to 1 speed and that's it. So here is a little explanation what you have to plug where. This is a setup port, that's where it gets the power, and these go to the fans, I think, and this one goes to the main board, and that's it. Whatever. It's the toughest part of the build, I think, figuring all this shit out. Yeah, here's the English version. Supports up to 8 fans, setup power, 3-pin connector, blah 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 blah. Yeah, it has also some buttons here. Here's the controller, right here. It has a speed fan, mode, speed LED. Yeah, LED. So yeah, this is a stupid case. It has a bracket here for an SSD. I don't know why in the back. Let's install the power supply. In the back here, pulling air from under the case. And yeah, I think I have to, I just throw out this cage here temporarily because it will be in the way of fun, in the way of the, oh boy, man, they tightened the heck out of this. The screw twisted inside this plastic. It was so hard. Yeah. So they do stupid things. Now how do you get this out? Slide it one way or another. Yeah, just pull it out. Oh, it has another one on the other side. Oh crap. You heard that sound. It was so stuck to the metal that it made a sound when I got it out. So yeah, this is a really crappy hard drive bay. I don't know who uses that anymore. So let's mount the power supply. Let's undo the wires first. Come on. Yeah. Something fell out. This is interesting. This ring just fell out of the power supply. But why? It's so crappy. Come on. Yeah, it's not in the correct position. And it all bends and twists and... oh man. This is really bad construction. Bad design. But whatever. I will mount it like this, sucking air from the bottom. There's also a filter here. That's nice. And where are the mounting screws? Oh, here. This is kind of an interesting bag. They sealed it here, not on the top. So you have a long zip. What do you call this? Whatever. Tweezers, that's what they are. Ask The Verge. They are tweezers. Everything is a tweezer. So, for black screws, not that the color matters, but yeah, everything is black, so yeah. Let's mount the PSU here. Come on, where's the screw? I mean the screw hole. Right here. And the screw doesn't want to go in because it's all painted or something. I don't really like these cheap Chinese screws, and Cheap Chinese cases and cheap Chinese everything. In the old days, screws were really well manufactured and they always fit. And back in the days of the 8088 XT turbo system at 10 megahertz, you can only get it here if you buy an AMD chip, not the Intel one. So yeah, yeah, they are in. What will I need here? Yeah, I'll just put in all the cables. I don't care. Put in all the cables and see where they go later. So for the main board, I can see it, but yeah, let's just undo all these twisty things. Yeah, here's a PCI Express cable, 8-pin. This one is oh yeah, SATA. I don't think we need SATA. We don't need two. This is another SATA. We don't need this one. I will just exclude that. We need one SATA for the fan controller, but that's it. There will be no optical drive, or this is for IDE or optical drives or whatever. We don't need this. So 2 cables we don't need. Here's another for the graphics card. Yeah? Am I saying that correctly? No, this is the EPS. Okay. For the main board. Yeah, this is for the main board. We need that. Or do we? We already have one. Okay, so we don't need that either. This is for the main board. Yeah, a second. If you want to use a beefy CPU. So this is another PCI Express. So I think we need both PCI Express cables. So let's plug them in and leave them out here hanging for now. So this, which side goes in there? PCI Express. Oh, it has PCI Express or CPU. Another one that is PCI Express or CPU. That's interesting. 3 identical. Okay. Okay, I get it. PCI Express and a SATA. Let's put this one here. And the SATA here. There's only one. Oh no, 2, 3. What? A lot of SATAs. That's stupid. Nobody uses them. You just plug in the PCI Express SSD and that's it. It gets power and data. No more cables. So yeah, I put it there. So we need all these cables, allegedly, for a 3070 video card. Now, let's turn this around. Yeah? Yeah. Oh boy, that's a lot of cable management I have to do. And something fell down. But no problem. Ooh. That's the remote. Here's the remote. And all the screws and the zip ties. Okay, that's not important right now. I don't think I will set this up in this video. I will just connect the main board, install the main board, and against the main board. I mean, I don't just connect up the power cables for now. Then mess with the fans and all the stupid things. Yeah, that will be in another video. I got to go, I think.